everyone. My name is Sangorama Joseph, but people call me Mbozi. I'm from the Republic Democratic of Congo. I am now living here in Malawi, and I am the founder and the chairman of Up for Change organization that was founded in 2023, which is known as UFCO, that based on education development in Dzaleka refugee camp. Our vision is to transform our community into a world free from hunger and poverty. Our mission is we strive to secure lives of individuals through skills training for self-reliance and well-being. The Up for Change organization has a lot of projects to implement, but due to financial problems, the organization has only implemented one project, which is the carpentry vocational skills that you see how these youth are trained, and we are training them so that they can be capable to start doing their own and start sustain their lives as well as their families. These skills are provided by some organization members and other volunteers. And before we had a deep challenge. We had a lot of difficulties that we were facing on going on this project, because at that moment we had no tools, we had no material, and we had no the learning place were unroofed, and sometimes the rain were raining and it were disturbing a lot. So this new look of our center, as you can see, is to be appreciated to the one that donated to this project, that gave a hand of support to this project. As the chairman of the organization, I appreciate so much for the support that we received from the donor that supported to this project. We seek to expand our carpentry training center by building the office of the organization and the classroom as the vocational theory class of our carpentry project, and equip the center with the basic material along with the office equipment. We are sure that we can contribute significantly to the educational and economic development in the Dzaleka refugee camp by your support. We hope that if anyone will keep on donating or supporting us, we will probably expand our center, as I mentioned in my previous word, that we seek to expand our center so that we can be taking a lot of youths to be trained here at this center and get to know and prepare themselves, sustain their lives.
Naitwa kwa Erike Mwabiga, Mkongomani, nimetokea Kongo na tunafanya kazi hapa Malawi ya carpentry kwa ajili ya kufundisha watu nao wajue jinsi ya kutumika kazi ya mikono ya carpentry, kuangalia jinsi maisha yao itakuwa baadaye. Na ndeza omba kwa support yoyote ambayo itaweza jitokeza kwa ajili ya kutusaidia kuendelea kufundisha wanafunzi na kuleta wengine kwa ajili ya kujiendeleza kimaisha. Kuna watu wengi ni wa maibobo wanatembea huku na huku wanapata vya kufanya. Sasa tulifungula hii nafasi kwa ajili ya kuformea watu ambao wataanza jitegemea wao wenyewe na kufundisha wengine kwa ajili ya maisha ya baadaye.
Say thank you very much for everyone, and we hope that once everyone or anyone seen this video and may have the passion of contributing to this project, of helping or assisting this project that we are training, we have provided by start training this vocational skill in Dzaleka refugee camp. Thank you very much. Goodbye.